To open this door.
Sorry, okay, I don't know say na you. Sorry, sir. I don't know say na you. Sorry.
Anyways, I'm expecting visitors this afternoon. Please make sure this whole house is clean. And behave yourself. What did I say?
Behave yourself.
You be mumu. Say myself or yourself. Behave yourself.
Oh.
Are you clear?
Behave your. Oh, sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
See. Thank your business. Make sure everywhere is clean, okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you. This my madam self. She no fit even just ordinary water. She no fit drink. Come on from car, come on from table because of say I be house. No problem, sha. They go don't finish this ping-pong.
So is the boss around?
Yes.
So and your boss?
Okay, friend.
Yeah, okay, friend.
Yeah.
And your boss did not tell you need to be greeting visitor, right?
Yeah. Sorry, sir.
Sorry for yourself. Is he around?
Yes, sir.
Call him around already, okay?
Okay, sir. Ping-pong. This Lagos, we won't finish person with this ping-pong. Eh? Who finish ping-pong?
You know the good year word. Chief. The chief! After you now, you chief.
Friend.
Who is she? Nah, this girl go beat her. You don't know the news of the chief. Chief, on your follow.
Don't know me. This is Chief Lamba. This is Chief Lamba.
Chief, follow road. The eye go know when you don't know road.
Chai!
Nonsense. The chief!
Ojuko! Ojuko, I have told you to stop bringing hoodlum into our party. Stop bringing hoodlum to our party. Ojuko, you too much. Leave down for my papa. What is happening? What is happening here? I have warned you, stop bringing hoodlum. You are bringing hoodlum into a rich man gathering.
You know, my money is getting too.
Your money?
I just bought the order.
Don't expose yourself.
Will you keep quiet?
Can you let this guy be outside?
Okay, yeah, see you.
You're distracting the rich. Chai. I go. In fact, you are getting younger. I remember when you were broke.
We used to be broke.
That time you were broke. Your broke is affecting your beard. Your beard is not even getting shape.
You know those guys that they call us brokers.
You were the chief executive broker then.
No, we call it the
Brooklyn. Yeah, Brooklyn.
You always funny.
Yeah. What is my business?
Chief Agbeke.
Baba Tunde. Hey, come on, shut up there. When men of Allah are talking, you want to be putting your mouth.
I didn't say men of Harlot. I said men of valor.
That is who we are. That is who we are. Chief.
How are you? It's been a long time.
Upon all the money, you are not adding flesh.
What will I do?
That is serious.
Yeah, sit down.
See, how many times will I see, you know, Iche, you know how many times I've been warning you to put this guy in the boot when you are coming for a business meeting?
I want to bring this water, so let's just drink up before we take the champagne.
Baba, today, that is why we are here. Say something about it.
The water don't come.
All these things that is happening.
All the thing we need to be doing is to be praying for the government.
You know there are some cankerworm and palmer inside this bad government.
That is God will fish them out.
Your friend from the east, we gave the charter. Pretend 50 billion naira with 500 billion.
You know.
So this is happening right in our midst.
Within the circle.
Oh, I see.
That's what I'm telling you.
In the nutshell, This government is bad.
Yes! This government is very, very bad people.
Yeah.
Eh? That's how these government people come. Go kill all the business where they make us dey progress for our village.
You be mumu.
Very, very bad.
Come.
Sir, wait, make I talk for the make I talk my money, they pay me.
You dey pay me,
This government is very bad.
They are bringing you guys. I don't know. How is he putting mouth in the millionaire talk?
Chief, look at this shit money mission.
In this street, I don't like.
See,
I'm tired of the discussion.